I'm Layla, I'm a student constable in South Wales Police. I sort of always wanted to join the police. I couldn't really think of anything else I'd wanted to do. And then whenever I've spoken to police officers and they told me more about the job, it's just made me want to do it more and more. What I love about being a police officer, especially from when I was a special, was sort of the victim-focused stuff, dealing directly with victims of crimes, potentially on the worst day of their life, being able to just, even if you can't make it a little bit better, you can make it a little bit clearer what's going to happen next, and you can sort of take away that doubt and that anxiety away from people. So being a special while studying the degree meant I sort of saw some of the ways it was put into practice and sort of got to see, oh, I was taught that here and now I'm seeing it actually done. Yeah, being a special made me certain this is what I wanted to do. I'd encourage anyone to go for the degree if they want to join the police. I really enjoyed my time at uni. You don't get that sort of level of both independence and sort of support at the same time anywhere else. It felt really quick, although you do apply separately from uni. It's almost a natural sort of next step. You do the uni degree, you finish the degree, and then a couple months later, you're walking through the doors to be a police officer. I'm really excited to be out and about, nervous as well, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I feel mostly ready, as ready as I can be.